Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Kucacci Keypad Smart Door Lock with Handle, a modern smart home security solution designed for homeowners, renters, and Airbnb hosts who want convenience, reliability, and straightforward installation. Product link is in the description below. This lock is built to deliver advanced features, sleek design, and versatile usability in one package. The design is sleek and practical, featuring a durable handle set that blends seamlessly with modern and traditional door hardware. Kucacci engineered this lock to balance aesthetics with security, making it suitable for front doors, bedrooms, and rental properties. The lever-style handle adds convenience, while the sturdy build ensures long-term reliability. Its compact design makes it a great alternative to traditional deadbolts and lever locks. Performance is where this lock shines. Equipped with a digital keypad, it allows users to enter passcodes for quick and secure access. Keyless entry ensures convenience, while customizable access codes make it easy to grant entry to family, friends, or guests. The lock also supports app control, enabling remote monitoring and management. Auto-locking adds peace of mind by securing the door automatically after use, while easy installation makes it accessible for DIY users. Security and usability are highlights. The Kucacci Smart Door Lock features advanced encryption and secure access protocols, ensuring reliable protection. The keypad is responsive and durable, designed to withstand daily use. With the app, users can monitor lock status, receive notifications, and manage codes remotely. Its versatility makes it useful across residential and rental applications. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with Kucacci's trusted craftsmanship, the Smart Door Lock is engineered for long-term use. The blend of durability, efficiency, and sleek aesthetics makes it a smart investment for homeowners and property managers alike. Use cases are broad. For families, it delivers reliable security and convenience. For professionals, it ensures smooth workflows for managing access. For Airbnb hosts, it simplifies guest entry with code management. For lifestyle users, it's a stylish centerpiece for smart home integration. In summary, the Kucacci Keypad Smart Door Lock with Handle combines advanced connectivity, keyless convenience, and versatile compatibility in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.